Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the Cricut Maker 3. So I got the Cricut Maker 3 6 months ago, and I've had some issues with having it get the red flashing light a lot, and I was able to resolve those issues. And now my newest issue is it goes through the movements of cutting, but it doesn't cut. So I contacted Cricut customer service, and they were very nice, and we walked through all the technical things that you can do, and like updating, making sure that you have a new tool and all that kind of stuff. And nothing would help. So they are going to replace my Cricut Maker 3. And in the meantime, I'm going to go back to my Cricut Maker, which I miss my Cricut Maker. I love my Cricut Maker, but I had to get a new machine because my Cricut Maker stopped doing the print and cut. So it just does the cut the vinyl and all that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to get your guys' opinion on if you have any issues with Cricut Maker 3, what do you like better, Cricut Maker 3 or Cricut Maker? Leave a comment below, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.